Hey guys, welcome back for another video. So today I'm going to install my intake manifold, just Skunk2 ultra racing whatever intake manifold. I got it for cheap. I got it from Facebook. I paid $800 for intake and 74mm throttle body. 74mm. Here's the serial number. So today I'm gonna install it, and I'm gonna transfer all the sensors and hoses to the new one. I'm gonna go ahead and loosen all that bolts and then take the sensors out and put in a new throttle body and hoses as well. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that now. Okay, this is my old one. To take these out, I'm gonna grind these. So to take these out, I'm gonna grind that flat so I can get my flathead screwdriver, because round circles. So people, I don't know why they did it. They could have just put a screw like that. So yeah, I'm just gonna grind it flat and take them off and put in a new one. Oh, this is so dirty. Look at that. Ew. Okay. I got all the gaskets from that one, so I can use that. Came with the box actually, all the gaskets and screws and all the plugs for as well. Alright, let me go ahead and take the sensors off and put in a new one. Alright, just like that. I went a little bit too far on that one, that doesn't matter. So now you get your flathead screwdriver and lose them. It's just a bolt. I think it's 6 mil. 6 mil, or yeah, 6 mil. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and take that one now. Just gonna step on that. Okay, now that's loose. You can use the same screw, the bolt. Otherwise you can get aftermarket or a bit better looking one. I think I'm just gonna reuse it anyway. I don't think I got that screw. So take them off. I think I got a new gasket for it as well. It came with the Skunk2 intake. yeah, you can't use the old one. Let me just have a look if I got a new one. If not, I gotta get a new one. This is all the stuff. Okay, with it. Yeah, that's the plug for B16 A B16As, because it's got water pipe going through the intake. Yeah, no, I don't have it. I lied. You know, I'm just gonna use it for now, and I'm gonna get a new one once I found where to get it from. Alright, let me install that to here. Okay, I've got new bolts for it. I just found it in my bolt box. So I'm just gonna use the same washer. I was gonna use this, but I think it's a little bit too big and look a bit ugly. And I'm gonna use just a factory one, just because it's cleaner and it's got grooves to bolt head just sits on it, nice and tight. So yeah, just gotta install that now. Okay, new bolts are in. All the sensors are in. Oh my god, I like it so much. That was just like that. Just like this. So yeah, all done. Alright, it's the next day. Intake is on, everything's on, all the sensors back on. That hose goes in here, but I'm gonna get different hose because that's no good. I think I'm gonna get new longer studs for bottom bolts. As you can see, it's not holding much. On top is alright though. Top's about sticking about 5 mil, which is good. I'm gonna get new fuel rails, 1000cc injectors. My alternators back on, all the brackets back on. I still gonna have to tighten them. I painted my alternator. And my VTEC solenoid. As I said, I'm gonna delete these and plug for my catch can. And I'm waiting for a new oil pan. One of those racing, what do you call it? Mono or Moroso, whatever the brand is. On the side of the engine, the timing belt side, I put all that brackets on, and timing tensioner is on, timing belt tensioner is on, a water pump, as you can see, oil pump. And for cam covers, I put everything back on, everything torqued to spec. Those bolts are 12mm bolts, torqued to 20 foot-pounds, and then 10mm are 7.2 foot-pounds. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for the head. I still got to put my distributor back on. I think I'm gonna get coil packs on soon, but see how we go. That hose goes just like here. I think I'm gonna get a new hose as well, but a little bit soft in here. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get a new hose for that one. I still gotta paint these or polish it, whatever. So yeah guys, everything's back on and oil seal cover is on. Torque to 7.2 foot-pound. And I gotta get, today's Saturday, so I'm at the Honda parts closed. I was gonna get these. I called the other day, I think yesterday. The big one is $52 and small one I think it's $16 or $13, I can't remember. Once I open on Monday, I'll get these two, put my solenoid back on, VTEC solenoid back on, and I'm getting new valve cover gasket seal. I called them today and they're coming tomorrow, Monday. $112, she said. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching guys. Comment and like. I'm still thinking about what manifold to get for my turbo. I'm boosting obviously. So once it's done, I'll give you overall video, like how much it costs and all that. I use mainly rods and Visco pistons, stock crankshaft, camshaft stock, and I'm gonna get AEM freaking camshaft keys, camshaft keys, yep. So, like I said, I'm waiting for the oil pan. It comes with the plug as well, so I just plug for the oil return line, so which is good. Save me some time to drill it or weld it. So yeah guys, plus this one's got a bit of a dent, so it's no good. I gotta get new freaking gates timing belt as well. Oh, it just keeps coming boys, keeps coming. That's my oil feed line. I think I'm gonna go like here and then throw here and then into the turbo. Like I said, I'm not running knock sensor because I'm using OBD1 harness out of 92 to 95 EG VTEC D16Y1 I believe. So yeah, out of that one I still gotta get my Del Sol sorted, not sorted, like work on it soon. So yeah, for guys who haven't seen my S2000 sitting there still, you know, I'm just, I don't know, not driving it. Alright boys and girls, thanks for watching. Comment, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for another video. That goes just like here as well. Righty, thanks, bye.